Hello everyone. In my previous few videos, we have discussed about if function, if else, and if error. If you want any help on this, you can have a link in the descriptions for the same. Now, in this, we will discuss one more type of if function, which is if na. Now, let's take an example. We are using here VLookup function. Now, if you want any help on that also, I have kept a link of my video on VLookup in the description. You can have a look in that video. Now I say we look up whatever value in this. I want to look that value, comma. The table array is say for example this. Fine. Now comma. The column index I want to print is if it value matches it from CP. That is if this is one, this is two, comma 0. Exact match I want. Now as soon as I press enter, it says NA. I don't want to display this NA. If something is not matched with the help of VLookup, I want a proper error message should display. Here we can use this function if any. How? Let's see. Okay. In the value part, I specify my function whatever we look up, looking for the value whatever in this, comma. The table array is from this to this. We need to check, comma, need to print 2, CP value, comma 0. Here I say not found. Okay, yeah, RACORD record not found and click on OK. So basically what happened, what this function do if any, you have written this function. If this function returns NA, because VLookup function is I'm looking for the value whatever in this cell from this table range, and then printing if it's found, then printing the value from this. But because currently here is nothing, or for example here I've print something like laptop only, then also it says NA, and because laptop is not anywhere here, fine, so I get NA. So instead of NA I want a proper message should be print like this. So I have done this thing. So I used if NA. The first expression of this if NA is this function. Now if this function returns NA, then I'm printing this message. Okay. Else if this function is valid, say for example I put Dell laptop here. As soon as put Dell laptop here, you get the result according to the VLookup function. Okay, got it. So if NA does what, if this function returns its value, then it's okay. Else if this function returns NA, then this message will be displayed instead of NA. Okay, so I hope if NA is also clear. So that's all. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.